Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing a first impressions kind of mask with me video. I am going to be testing out the Dermalactives Purifying Triple Power Collagen Facial Peel. That is what she looks like. As I have mentioned before, I do try to do these kind of mask with me or skincare product reviews barefaced, so that is what you guys get today. I did already film the demo portion of this video, so if you like what you see as far as, you know, the skin, maybe luminosity or tone, or maybe even a little bit of plumping action, that is all thanks to the Dermalactives peel. Before we get started with the video, however, I'd love to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also be sure to hit the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I make a new upload. Also, be sure to add me on all of your other social media platforms. I will link my handles down below. So let's chat about this product. This was actually kindly gifted to me by the Dermalactives team. Thank you so much. So this is the Dermalactives Purifying Triple Power Collagen Facial Peel. She retails for $160 on the Dermalactives site. I did try to look for other places where you could potentially purchase this product, and I found nothing. So you would have to definitely visit the Dermalactives site if you are interested in purchasing this specific product. Dermalactives skincare products were created by skincare scientists, dermatologists, and licensed estheticians like me. This peel clarifies, firms, and reduces the look of dark spots or hyperpigmentation. Dermalactives suggests that you use this 1 to 2 times per week. You do want to leave this on the skin for 1 to 2 minutes, and then you want to work the product into the skin in circular motions, and then you want to rinse the product off the skin with warm water. So now let's chat about some ingredients. To be honest, when I looked at the ingredients deck, I was a little surprised. It's been a while since I've seen a product with 18 ingredients on the ingredients deck. I just visited the Sephora website and I, typed in the word peel, and I clicked on a number of products that are marketed as being a peel, and some of them had 22 ingredients, some of them had 28, some of them had more ingredients. That doesn't make them bad, of course, but it's nice to see a product with a limited amount of ingredients. So this Purifying Triple Power Collagen Facial Peel contains hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is an excellent skin replenishing ingredient. Hyaluronic acid boosts the skin's moisture content, it soothes, and it defends against moisture loss. Hyaluronic acid also protects the skin against environmental damage. This also contains acetyl hexapeptide 3. This is a synthetic peptide, and it is supposed to improve the signs of aging. It has water binding properties, which may help the skin look younger. It also hydrates and it also soothes the skin. This also contains vitamin A or retinol palmitate, and this is a combo of both retinol or vitamin A with a fatty acid. Retinol is a skin restoring, wrinkle smoothing, firming ingredient, and it is also an antioxidant. So those are just some of the ingredients within these kind of first impression or kind of product reviews. I do try to list a number of ingredients that I think would help you, the consumer or my viewer, kind of see if this product is something that works out for you. So this product is fragranced, so if you have a sensitivity to fragrance, this product will probably not work out for you. The fragrance is not, strong or off-putting. It's actually kind of fresh, kind of reminds me of spring. And yeah, I've only really been using vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and kind of peptides over top the skin since we got back from Mammoth, just because I knew I wanted to give this an honest go. So now we will transition on to the demo. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the demo portion of the video. As far as my skin, I do want you to know that I have avoided using retinol and glycolic since we got back from Mammoth. I just kind of wanted to hydrate, nurture, and bring the skin back to normal. Post, you know, outdoor activities, really bad diet, drinking, and it was really, it wasn't that smoky up there, but it was, I feel like there was a lot of dirt and kind of debris in the air from the fires that were, or maybe are still happening up north. And I did have a lot of allergies. I did come back with like really dry, kind of patchy skin. I haven't used a lot of actives on this skin. As far as what is going on, let's see. I am kind of nearing my time of the month. So you'll probably see that there's a few whiteheads throughout. Something's going on over here as far as like congestion and some blackheads and whiteheads. Like I said, I haven't exfoliated, so that probably has a lot to do with the whiteheads that I can see and the congestion that I can see right here along the chin. Lots of congestion here. And a little bit of redness and sensitivity here, not too much along this side. And obviously breaking out. I did try a new foundation that irritated my skin right here and broke me out right over here. So let's chat about this mask here. This is what the packaging looks like. It's like super posh. This is what the actual mask looks like. It's like super pretty and very, very heavy. It does come with a little spatula. There is some weight to this, so it's not like any of the other spatulas. As far as directions go, with provided spoon, apply 1 scoop and gently massage into face for 1 to 2 minutes, using fingertips in a small circular motion. Okay. Then rinse, peel off with warm water to reveal beautiful and radiant glow. For best results, apply to face 1 to 2 times a week. And it is recommended that you follow this with the Purifying Triple Power Collagen Moisturizer or Purifying Night Cream after. This has a 24-month shelf life, no animal testing, and this is paraben free. So that is amazing. Again, let's talk about the packaging because I'm obsessed. There is so much weight to this. So there is an added level of luxury, if you will. So we're gonna crack on open. That is what that looks like. And yeah, there is a nice fresh scent to this. This is what the mask or the peel looks like. I'm obsessed. I cannot wait to try this. As per usual, I will start with my forehead, problem area. It's very cool to the skin. Then I will seal her up. Should probably be keeping track of the time here. 2:42. So yeah, it says to kind of massage this into the skin. So far I don't feel much. It's just very cool to the skin. You want to avoid contact with eyes. I like the scent, actually. It's very fresh. Oh, I don't know if that's supposed to happen. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it on 4. So Dermalactives suggests that you use this 1 to 2 times per week. It should remain on skin for 1 to 2 minutes. Work product into the skin in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse. So we'll just let it sit for 1 more minute. So far I'm not feeling much as far as activity. I don't suffer from ingrown hairs, so if you do suffer from ingrown hairs, anything that's exfoliating that contains glycolic acid will help to, you know, keep the pores nice and clean and minimize ingrown hairs. So now it's been a minute. I'm going to again work it into the skin in circular motions for 2. Not feeling much, but it is starting to kind of, I don't know if it's supposed to do that, but if it is, it kind of reminds me of a Peter Thomas Roth product that I started using, that I then gifted to my mom because it wasn't for me just yet. Her skin is getting a little red now, but I'm not feeling much, to be honest. Got 1 more minute. All right, so we're at 47 now. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off and I'll be right back. Wowza. So I have just rinsed this off. It was super easy to remove, which I love. And let's chat about my skin. Let's see how it looks. Do comment down below and let me know if you see something I don't, because that is likely. So yeah, I feel like skin definitely looks a little bit more smoother, plumper. There's a definite luminosity just kind of peeking through. I can still see the congestion here, and some of the redness has been minimized, of course. And yeah, I can still see congestion here, and I'm like so tempted to like extract because it's what I do. But I haven't even toned this skin, and that is how luminous and radiant it looks. And now my nose looks red. I didn't feel a stinging or a pinprickle sensation whatsoever. Essentially, the only sensitivity I did note was when I began to kind of rub the product into the skin. But I'm digging what I'm seeing so far. I am going to follow this with my Holy Grail Murats Hydrating Toner. And because Dermalactives kindly sent this to me as well, I will use the Triple Power Collagen Moisturizer. That is what she looks like. Very luxe packaging. This is formulated with breakthrough technology. This moisturizer is your skin's best defense against dryness. It keeps the skin safe from harsh environmental elements to delay the signs of premature aging. This formula promotes the natural synthesis of collagen combined with your skin's natural healing capabilities, which can improve dermal regeneration for a healthy, glowing skin. Before I apply the moisturizer, I am going to apply the Murad Revive Elixir serum. I have been obsessed with this. That is what she looks like. I am applying 1 full pump, and 1 full pump includes 3 of the beads that you see here. This has a nice feel to it. Obsessed. And this is safe for you to use around the eye area as well, which I love. So if you're in a hurry and you can't see yourself reaching for another product, such as an eye serum, this is your best friend. I will apply the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask to address the lip area. I know it's like fall for some of you already, but we are in the middle of another heat wave here. So it's really hot in this room, and holy cow, I am just wearing the Revive Elixir serum here on the face, and look at that glow. Amazing. Okie dokie. And now I will go in with the moisturizer here. 1 pump. I don't think this is fragranced. No, I don't see fragrance in the ingredients deck. I'm gonna do one pump on the chest. And yeah, that is what the skin looks like with all Dermalactive and kind of some Murad products tossed into there. I really like the product, to be honest. Easy to use, easy to remove as well. It doesn't have to be on the skin for more than 2-4 minutes. And hopefully my skin, you know, does well with it. I will keep you updated in the bottom bar if anything changes between now and when this video goes live. I definitely have to go back and use this product more to see if maybe I see a more plumping and smoothing effect to the skin, just because I know that collagen synthesis is not going to happen in 4 minutes. As far as congestion, I don't feel like it treated that, but I feel like maybe I need to just go in with a physical exfoliant for that. I really like how luminous the skin looks, of course. Throughout use, I didn't notice any pinprickle or a burning or a stinging sensation, which makes me think that this product is safe enough for my sensitive skin types who don't have a sensitivity to fragrance. I feel like this product, from just looking at the ingredients deck, is packed with hydrators and antioxidants, which makes it excellent for, you know, a large number of skin types. I would maybe recommend this to anyone who is concerned with aging, someone who is concerned with an uneven tone. As you know, that is what this product essentially addresses. Did I see, you know, even tone in 4 minutes? Of course not. That will take more than just one use. Did I see an improvement in luminosity? Of course, I did see that. Those are my findings from the kind of first impression of this product, and I will continue to use this throughout the month. So make sure you stay tuned in, you know, any favorites videos, maybe this product, maybe I love this product in about 3 to 4 weeks, or maybe this is a fail for me. I don't know. Time will tell. That is all I have for you for this first impressions kind of mask with me video. Before you leave, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and also be sure to hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever I make a new upload. That is all I have for you all for this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye. Mask with me, first impression. It feels smoother for sure. Ignore the nails and the breakouts, of course.